Recently at work, we had a need for a garden trowel in order to excavate a certain area. We needed something with a narrow blade and potentially a long handle, but we didn't have it. So I went online to look for one, and I found one on Amazon that's made in the USA from PCS Outdoors in Oscoda, Michigan. This is the AuSable brand 16-inch narrow blade trapping and gardening trowel. It came in 3 days after I ordered it via FedEx in a padded pack. But unfortunately, it wasn't complete. You see, this is supposed to be powder coat orange, and instead this is bare steel. However, this does give a good view of the construction of this trowel. It kind of looks like something somebody made in 9th grade shop class. I mean, there's knurling on the handle and it's welded, but these are not the best welds. It looks like somebody cut a section of maybe fence post here, rounded fence post, and just kind of cut it and sharpened it and that sort of thing. You can see this was kind of done on a belt sander or a grinder or something like that. So I contacted them, I called them, and I said, hey guys, isn't this thing supposed to be powder coated orange? And they said, yeah, it wasn't. I said, no. I said, all right, we'll send you out another one. If there's a return label in there, return the original. And if there isn't, just keep the original. Now they shipped this out. This was $16.95 and shipping and handling was $7.50. That's only coming from a couple hours north of here in Michigan. So they sent it out FedEx, and I'm sure it costs the full $7.50, if not more, in shipping. So they're sending out another one, and they want to pay the shipping to send this one back so they can powder coat it and ship it out. In the end, this is a loss. Well, a few days later, I got a padded pack, this time through the U.S. mail, and the powder coated version came in. Now I left the electrical tape here on the end. There was electrical tape on the unfinished one as well. That's to protect you from the sharp point. And you can see the powder coating is fairly even. There's one spot here on the handle. I'm guessing this is where they had it hung up on the rack when they powder coated it, but it's not too bad. It still doesn't cover up the fact that this thing is, it looks like a shop class project. But something I wanted to note about this, look at how this thing is shaped like a spear tip, how sharp this thing is. This could actually be used as a hunting implement, or perhaps to deal with maybe varmints or something. Like, you could be in the garden and you could kill a mole or a rabbit or what have you with this thing, and then you could use it to bury them. So I don't know if I would really consider this a gardening tool or maybe some sort of hunting tool or just varmint control, but I thought I'd go ahead and just show this. I'll include a link to their website because you can buy these directly from PCS Outdoors, and I'll include a link to the Amazon.com page where you can order this. It's made in America, and I mean, the price is right, but yeah, this thing is, this is probably the most interesting gardening tool I've ever seen. Thanks for watching.